there are 7 things God has decided long before the world came to be. Now, before I tell you the 7, permit me to read Isaiah 46, verses 10 and 11 for you. Isaiah 46, verses 10 and 11. Declaring the end from the beginning and from ancient times, the things that are not yet done, saying, my counsel shall stand, and I will do all my pleasure. Calling a ravenous bird from the east, the man that executed my counsel from a far country, yea, I have spoken it. I will also bring it to pass. I have proposed it. I will also do it. Now, let me tell you the 7 things. Now, 5 of these 7, the first 5, they are general, and the last 2, they are personal and specific with individual. Now, the first 5. Number 1, God has determined the course of the history of the world from beginning to the end. Number 2, God has predetermined the death of Christ. Ever before Christ came to die, God had already predetermined that Christ was going to be killed, according to Acts chapter 2, verses 22 and 23. Then number 3, God has predetermined the call of his elect for salvation. Romans 8:28. All things work together for good to those who are called according to his purpose. Number 4, God has predetermined the union of all believers in Christ, according to Ephesians 1, verses 9 and 10. And number 5, God has predetermined all his works. God is not the type of a person that only react to present issues. He has programmed every work that he will do on this planet Earth before the world ever came to be. Now, the last 2. This is specific and this is personal. Number 6, God has predetermined who we are and what we are to do for him. He told Jeremiah in chapter 1, verse 5, I have ordained you to be a prophet, and I've appointed you to be prophet or prophet to the nation. And number 7, God has predetermined a plan for everyone, which is his will for individuals. When Jesus said, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth. That is what God has predetermined, his predetermined plan for every one of us. We are to live that life, and that is when we are doing the will of God. God bless you. Don't forget to join the saints of God to know more about destiny in an intensive training that is coming up August 9 to 16. For details, click the link below. God bless you.